John Piper with the Thursday video, and it's Thursday the 24th of October. I thought to start with anecdotal evidence, as it were, of a possible low in Bitcoin. As we know, sentiment is the key thing. Market tops, you tend to get enthusiasm, positive feelings, all that kind of stuff. And if you look at Superman is sort of like the poster boy to an extent. He churns out lots of videos, in fact 457 videos so far. And this is how he looked back in December 2017. Very positive, very bullish. And yesterday he announced he's had enough. Sorry, I shouldn't really laugh. And this is the expression on his face. Now I think that's quite a nice little contrast, really. I mean, yeah, that was the peak. Is this the low? I mean, it corresponded almost exactly with that spike low in various cryptos yesterday. This is what we really want to see. We want to see this, not necessarily Superman being miserable, but we want a consensus, a bearish consensus, which I think is exemplified quite well by this expression on Superman's face. Anyway, let's have a look at the charts. I may as well start with Bitcoin, given the subject matter of this section. And this was the spike down we saw yesterday, and with a bit of a bounce. Is that the low? Let's look at the technicals. Right, looking at the Elliott wave theory, we have the 5 rows up, then have an ABCA, ABCB. Now the various different counts, looking at the this C wave decline, that could be a 1 to there. Not really well this one. Well today, everything's going wrong this morning. Let me try again. Right, so we have the A move to here, B move to there, and we have the 1 there, possible 2 there, 3 there, possible 4 here, and then this could be the 5th wave coming in, although it's only 3 waves at the moment. Well, we focus on just the latest decline, so the B wave ended there. We have a possible 1 down to there. So we have an A, B, C, B, C, then a 1, 2, maybe 3 down to here, ABC 4. This could be part of 4 in fact, and this could then be a 5 down to here, and you'll notice that the 5 corresponds roughly in length with the possible 1 wave here. Go back to the longer term chart. We can see that the Fibonacci 61.8% level is at 7220 thereabouts. I mean, it's difficult to be precise here. I mean, the levels vary a bit, and it's difficult to get the fibs on exactly the right levels. And the low yesterday came in around 100 points higher than that. Actually, rather less than that. It came in around 7,280 thereabouts, I think it was. So this could be a 1, ABC 2 perhaps. I mean, I would say you've got a spike, you've got the fib, you've got an possibly complete correction, you've got quite a good case for a trade here, also got a pretty close stop. So there certainly is a trade there, but there's no confirmation, so obviously I'm waiting, I'm hanging on as regards issuing a big call until we see something that confirms the low's actually in. But I think we're pretty close. If that isn't the low, then we're pretty close. Ethereum, a very similar pattern really. We've got the 5 waves up from the December low. That's a 6-month move, 4 months decline. So again, it's roughly Fibonacci 61.8% relationship, but in time as well as price. The 61.8% level is here at about 145. This came in around 150, I think. It's done all it needs to do really. A, B, ABC, double spike there, a retest here. There's quite a lot of technicals building up really to support the case that if the low isn't in, it's close. Ripple is another example. We saw a very solid spike in the middle of October. Very good rally, up about 40% or so from that spike. We saw a spike yesterday and a bounce again. So again, you got a buy signal there, which has been confirmed. We've got a setback, but again, the buyers have come in on Ripple. So yeah, there are definitely positives here, and Superman's glum face is just one more positive to add to the. Looking at gold, no change here really. We have this ABC, and here we now have what I think is a B wave triangle on gold, not so much silver but on gold. So there's a case for another sell-off here. Until we see something to change that, I'll stick with that view. Having said that, we do have this bounce here of 1480 odd, which could be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 with an ABC. So a decent buying response off here might well change that pattern to a positive one, but we haven't really broken the upper trend line yet, so we do need to see the action confirm that pattern. But silver's not supporting that view really. We've got again solid 5 waves up. A, B, C. This looks like it's in a triangle. That looks like an ABC move. So nothing on silver to support gold rally that we're seeing that could be impulsive. FTSE looks like there's 5 waves down. It could be the end of something, I suppose, but that is an ABC supporting that view. 1 possible ABC, but obviously seeing strength at the moment. Anyway, I had a few technical issues this morning, so I can't actually do any more at this point in time. There's nothing much to say that I want to say on DAX and Dow in any case. Interesting action on Bitcoin. The cryptos could be seeing a major low. Gold could support that. There may still be some harmony there, but silver's yet to fall in line, and the equities well. Looking positive at the moment, but this could be an ABC. We need to see acceleration, in fact, on FTSE here to confirm an impulsive move. I hope you found it interesting and useful. Back to the report at the weekend. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.